Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial. We're going to change this MacBook Pro to a Linux system, and we have our ArcoLinux 6.6.4 ISO written on this USB with minstick. And all you need to know is that there's a power button there and that there's here an option or an alt key, that one, that I need to press and keep pressing once I do start. So I'm starting here, moving quickly to this one, keep it pressed in, keep it pressed in, keep it pressed in until you see this. Then you choose one of the two, so you choose FE-boot of course, otherwise you're going to the hard disk. So this is our USB and off we go. We have now launch or lift off and everything will just kick in and we'll have Kirk coming up. You know what the failed is. He thinks it's on VirtualBox and he wants to load things, and it's not possible because it's on SSD. So next boot up he'll know that and everything will be removed. I'll just wait till we are booting in ArcoLinux and then this video will be uploaded. So the key trick was the option key straight away after booting up. Then you have access to the USB, and we are almost there. Blank is already there, all animal elements. And come on, calamares. There you go. So that concludes this video.